that's incredible. So like the top part, would that be?
That was how I identified what year and model it was. And then I looked at the latches, the hinges, and then the trunk latch, and then I found that piece of chrome up there, and that just told me that it was a 41 Pontiac. Either 40 or 41.
Right.
But I painted a 41.
Yeah.
Sweet! Look at this piece.
Whoa.
So we got Jenny Long, Ron Gladish in the house at the Long Gallery.
Wicked.
And what is your show called?
Called Upcycled. So basically it's things I find and I paint on them and frame them with barn board, and it's just a fun thing to do. Get out in the bush, collect stuff, and then you get to paint on it, repurpose it.
Where did you find your feature piece here? It's a trunk.
It's a trunk lid off of 1941 Pontiac.
Yeah.
And so that's the vehicle I painted on.
What town did you find this? Like Summerland
This is
or?
near Summerland, yeah.
Yeah. Up in the dirt bike area? Was there a whole car out there?
Couldn't find the rest of the car actually. Not at all. But
That would have
it's
been a
dirt
gold
bike
mine
area.
then, right?
Lots
Then you would
of
have.
bikes use that trail constantly.
Sweet. Well, why don't you guys walk in and let's check out the show.
Sweet. And there's a custom chess set. So you can't forget that.
Oh yeah.
That Ron and Nettie did together.
Yes, I remember. One of a kind.
One of a kind. There's been lots of peeps interested. Come on in.
The Long Gallery on Main Street.
Penticton. And here we are in the official upcycled zone.
Dodge Fargo.
Oh yeah.
Remember this one, the ducks? This is what I said was one of my favorite, Ron. I like it. It's the piece of metal. I love how it's just not square also. And then with the hole into the background space, it's awesome.
Did you cut those holes in there? Was it
Yeah, I did.
like, oh.
So I just thought I'd utilize it.
Yeah. I love this guy so much. His little mask.
Yeah.
He looks
He's
like,
the bandito.
seriously. The old waxwing.
Some
Even
glue
though
in there.
my heart is always drawn to the ones with the cigarette,
Yeah.
with tin, no cigarette, like the yellow ones, the quail and the
Yeah.
finger. But just, oh yeah, downtown, woo-hoo. All the action, but just, yeah, just his whole character. Looks like he's gonna go rob a bank. But his hairdo, his little.
His hairdo, it's like mine.
Actually, it's Ron as a bird. That's probably why I like it so much. Or like a burglar.
This is a self-portrait.
I thought it was the gangster quail.
To me, of all of these, that's the least well executed of all the paintings.
Which is interesting. Like, Texas. Yeah. And like
Stellar J. The depth of the metal, and I love like the detail of this the bird. It's a little different. It's like you really can go up close and like find a whole different world in there. That's cool.
Yeah, creating those iridescent colors is a really challenge. It's the same like on the wood dock. I mean, you have quite a bit of iridescence. You have to have the right light to be able to see it.
For sure. I love the wood ducks.
If you look from down here up this way,
Oh yeah, now it's reflecting.
now you can see the iridescence in the.
Tilt that a bit differently, or is that the same?
I moved the lights, yes.
Oh,
but
yes.
The iridescent duck. Yeah. At the Long Gallery. What's the date today? July 30th, 2021.
Yes.
Summer.
Summertime. Prime time.
Smoky summer.
And it's all bright and clear in here.
We got the red-winged blackbird. This guy's just chilling like a villain.
Yeah, that's his displays posture. Trying to snag a girl.
Yeah, yeah.
I love the colors in her. Oranges.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Oh.
Challenge all along is finding birds that are dull and quick.
Yeah, that's right.
Because you can't be a great whale.
Aw. So this is Ron.
Hello?
Are we supposed to do that?
Hi, Lorraine. My wife, Karen.
And so Larry and Elaine are our new BFFs in the gallery. They might be moving hopefully to the community within a while.
He has 2 kids from his first marriage left. So we have 8.
Anyways, guys, my name is Marcel Ernie. This is the Long Gallery, and you know, Jenny Long's creation on Main Street in Penticton, BC. And this is my favorite piece of my own. I paint too.
Yes, you do.
Avocado on the run.
Amazing.
So if you guys want to learn to paint, anything is possible. Come check out the gallery. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.
Woo.
All our grandkids have spouses and they have
Peace.